welcome back to Seku. Today I'm going to be making another local but delicious meal, and I'm going to be roasting yam. Ndị Igbo na-akpọ ya ji ahụrụ ahụ ji. Alright, like last time I explained how important yam is to Igbo people and how we value yam, and this is to the extent that we make it in a variety of ways. And today, like I said, we're going to cook ahụrụ ji, okay? And so I'm going to roast yam. So let me introduce you to the ingredients, very simple ingredients that I'm going to use today for my roasted yam. Okay, these are the ingredients for this recipe. Today, I have my yams. I'm going to cut these yams with the peels, so I'm not going to peel the yam. You know that when you peel the yam and cook it, take off the peels, you are really taking out some of the nutrients from the yam. So the yam peel will be there, and I'm going to roast the yam with the yam peel. Okay, I'm done washing. Just diagonal. That's the shape I want to give. Okay, now this is my Salad Master smokeless grill, and that is what I'm going to roast my yam with. I am going to add a little bit of salt, not that much. It's not really important. You don't have to do this, just to apply the salt on my yam. See, because you're roasting, you're not adding water, so the whole taste is going to be retained. Okay, so this will be here for the next 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to slice my onion, and I'm going to chop it really tiny because I'm not blending it. I don't think I can eat any food without onion. Maybe I'm addicted to onion. That's a very good addiction anyways. So I have my chopped onion here. I'm just gonna put it aside because we'll use that for the ingo. If you're familiar with Irijimbi, that's Yam Festival. They usually roast the yam, and it's very, very nutritious. Come to think of it, we eat it with oba. OUBC is very, very nutritious. We eat it with all of these local ingredients. Okay, I'm going to crush my ehuru. I roasted this ehuru before now. I have my mortar and pestle here, so I'm going to use that to crush. Crush it the local way. I don't want to blend it. It smells so good. It's a very natural and healthy spice. You don't make uwa or any ngo without ehuru. It doesn't taste good. This is perfectly crushed. Okay, so now I'm going to make my ngo. That is how much I'm adding, like half cup of the liquid ngo. So So the ungo is a local dust from palm fruits. Okay. I mix it with oil, water, and now I sift it, and I have my liquid ungo. This is my oil, so I'm gonna pour my oil. Watch how I'm going to stir this, and it's going to give me that orange color. Oh, this is going to be thick. So I'm getting that beautiful orange color. Look at the consistency. It is thick. And to my ungo, I'm going to add my Cameroon pepper. This is very spicy, so I'm going to be careful not to add a whole lot. I have my fresh pepper that I'm also going to add. Here's my uba. I'm going to add this uba to it. Give it a stir. Make sure everything mixes well. Actually going to add all of that. Some are still a little bit frozen. Yeah. Okay, I will add my egg. Also give it a stir. The little crayfish. If you notice, I've not put the fire on. I've not turned on my stove. I'm going to do that when I'm done. If I try doing it now, my ungo is going to be watery. Meanwhile, if I turn on my stove, it's going to be on very low heat, just to warm the ungo, not to actually cook it. I'm going to taste this to see if I need to add any more of the Cameroon pepper, because I'm also going to use my fresh pepper. Remember, I haven't added salt yet. I'm just tasting for pepper. So just a little bit for now. I'm going to add a little of my potassium leaf. This tastes good. I'm gonna add a little of my potassium leaf, a little more of egg. Good. Look at the yam and my fish. They are well cooked. Look at this, they are all done. We're gonna enjoy this with the sauce, with the ungo. Okay, it's hot. Okay, perfect. Now this is ready to be served. Okay, it's time for me to get the rams ready. So this is how I'm going to peel off the yam peels. This is perfectly cooked. Look at how the inside is yummy. Oh yeah, loud yaku. Here comes a delicious roasted yam with fish. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.